A mini burger and a giant hot dog? A teeny pizza and perfect ravioli. Don't be surprised today. We're doing experiments on different sizes of dishes. Are you going to repeat them? Then watch our new video. Meet our trainee lab assistants, Vanilla and Melissa. They dream about big inventions in the field of genetic modification. And now they are going to have a snack. Oops, it seems that the girls can't share a toast. It gives them one more brilliant idea. What if they invent a doubling food substance? It would solve a global food shortage problem. An intense thinking process begins. The young scientists start calculating a doubling formula. They conduct a number of chemical experiments and test the first samples on laboratory bread. At last, the serum is ready, but it diminishes food instead of multiplying it by 2. It was an unexpected turn of events. Let our diminirum serve to make benefit. For example, let it make Vanilla eat no more harmful fast food. The girls take in a whole package of junk food as always. French fries, a cheeseburger, and sauce. Let's see what I can do with it. I'm going to add some diminirum to her fast food. Wow! I didn't expect it to be so strong. Vanilla comes back to her lunch. What's happened to my food? The French fries package is no bigger than a thimble, and the sauce box looks like a pill. My colleague must have done her diminishing experiments. Cut a potato into thin strips. Fry the potato strips in a big amount of vegetable oil. Add salt and pepper. Print out, cut, and assemble a box for French fries. Fasten it with super glue. Put the French fries miniatures into the box. Cut one section out of an empty pill blister package. Make the edges round and fill it with barbecue sauce. Print a mini sauce label on self-adhesive paper. Attach it to the blister top. This food is so small! I open the sauce and dip the match-sized potato in it. It turns out to be delicious. Diminirum doesn't influence the taste of the dish. These small French fries isn't filling for sure. I wonder what happened to my cheeseburger. I can't see it anywhere. Here it is, hidden in a corner. Poor baby. Add salt and pepper to chicken mince. Mix it and make a small patty. Cook it. Cut a square piece of cheese. Slice a pickle finely. Cut cherry tomatoes into rings. Take the middle out of an onion and cut it into mini rings. Take small leaves out of a head of lettuce. Tear off the stem. Cut a round piece out of a bun. Shape 2 halves of a mini bun. Cover it with sauce. Put a lettuce leaf, the patty, onion rings, tomato, a cheese slice, and pieces of a pickle. Cover everything with the top of the mini bun. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Fasten it using a toothpick with a mini flag. Heat the mini burger in the microwave before serving so that the cheese melts. I hold the tiniest cheeseburger in my hands. This invention can definitely be recorded in the Guinness Book. The burger is so small and helpless that I can't even dare to eat it. Vanilla is falling back into her old habits again. When she thinks no one sees her, she tries to snack with unhealthy chips. But I will distract her. I swap the big package of Pringles with its tiny replica and add some healthy food. It's an apple. Spray potato chips with water so that they get wet. Cut out small circles using a thick drinking straw. Dry them out in a microwave on grill mode. Wrap the straw with a printed miniature of a Pringles label. Take plugs out of felt tip pens. Cut off the tops. Attach one plug to the bottom of the tube. Use the second plug as a cap. Cover the top and the bottom with self-adhesive foil. Put in the mini chips. Put on the cap. Vanilla finds an apple on the table. But where are my chips? Here they are, hiding behind the healthy food. I open the box. Well, these chips are only for one bite. It's hard to imagine a version smaller than this one. I will